Hey everybody, it's Paul Rabillo with ActiveStocks.com, Friday, September 11th, and the markets are down right now. Again, we've seen this pattern before. Let's see what happens this afternoon. Will buyers step up? Will short sellers cover? Again, going into a weekend like we saw last weekend, M&A activity, mergers and acquisitions, deals announced. There could be a little bit of concern if someone's going in short over the weekend. So let's see if this afternoon gets us going as far as a rally goes. As far as some of the bigger names from today, this morning the gold mining stocks really went crazy, right through the roof. Agnico Eagle Mines AEM was one of our plays as far as our favorite long of the day. Afterwards we added UPS as well. That's also doing pretty well. On the short side, AIG and Monsanto, those are our two plays there. But let me talk about sort of the AEM play, the Agnico Eagle Mines. I had a few emails from people about, when a stock opens up higher, kind of what's the game plan, when you see something that you want to get into, but it's already moving higher, and by the time you want to put your trade in, the stock's already had a decent move. Again, this is as we go into the opening of the day at 9:30 a.m. One of the things I always like to say is if you're looking at a stock that's going to move like that, what you want to do is you want to scale into the position. So in other words, don't take a full-blown spot right at the beginning. So if you're going to do 1,000 shares, let's say, of a stock, you go in maybe with a couple hundred, see how the opening goes, see if that opening print, always a key, see if the opening print will hold. And if it does, that means maybe there's some more buyers that are going to build some strength behind it. If it doesn't, then I would hold off on adding to it until that opening print is now surpassed. So again, this morning, for example, AEM opened near $70. So again, if someone wanted to get in, you buy some shares at the open and then wait to see how the stock trades. If you see it pull back, I would wait a little bit. Again, that's what scaling is. You're scaling into a position rather than going all in one shot. So that's what you want to do when you see a stock that's moving really quick and it's going to open much higher. So keep that in mind. Again, big news today, Federal Express FDX. Really good story out of them, raising their guidance. Again, good for UPS. We put them on as a favorite long as well. Interesting thing also happening today is you have two weird things going on. You have Treasuries hitting positive numbers, doing really well, but yet gold is also spiking. So it's really weird. Interest rates going down big, and yet gold prices shooting up big. So there's something weird going on with the markets. And at some point, this is going to have to show its hand. We're going to have to see what this is going to mean. So let's see what happens. But again, Treasuries make me a little bit nervous as far as how they're acting. Gold, again, inflationary, going through the roof today, hitting new 52-week highs. There's a mixed message here. So something's going to break here. Let's see what happens. Again, I'm covering it on ActiveStocks.com. I have my intraday thoughts on there, so be sure to sign up for that. And again, I want to thank everyone out there that has already subscribed. A lot of you out there are subscribed, and again, a lot of good stuff we're focusing on. And the long and short of the day, that's worth the money in itself just for that. So, all right, everybody, listen, have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks.